Whenever the world thinks of heating, air conditioning, and ventilation solutions, the first name that comes to mind is Carrier. In 1902, Willis Carrier started the company legacy by designing the first modern air conditioning system. From big centralized solutions at that time to the recent mid-sized decentralized solutions, Carrier today has a large portfolio of products to offer. As a renowned name in air conditioning all over the world, we at Carrier have slowly and steadily captured markets all over the world. From South Europe to Latin America, Asia, Africa and North America, our variable refrigerant flow have been providing climate control solutions to businesses and homes across the world. From the digital scroll, X-Power 4 Plus, X-Power 4 Plus S, X-Power 4 Plus K, X-Power 4 Plus R, to X-Power 5T, X-Power 5X/E, X-Power 6, Carrier has revolutionized climate control solutions through the VRF technology. And continuing this proud legacy is the XCT7, the 7th generation of the VRF system. Launched in 2020, the XCT7 has made Carrier the leading name in variable climate technology solutions all over the world. Let us understand what the XCT7 VRF system comprises of. The XCT7 VRF system can be customized to meet the specific demands of any project, all the way from a small single residence system to a commercial high-rise building multi-outdoor system. Various type of indoor units can be connected and controlled by individual controller or centralized control solution. So, why should one choose the Carrier VRF system? Because it provides the ultimate performance through an intelligent and even refrigerant flow, helping deliver heating down to -23 degrees Celsius and cooling up to 50 degrees Celsius. And of course, it comes with the assurance of Carrier expertise. Let's take a look at the outdoor unit options that come with the XCT7. In South Asia, the range includes models with side discharge and top discharge systems. For smaller installations, the compact side discharge comes in 3 HP, 5 HP and 7 HP capacities. And for larger installations, it comes in 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12 horsepower configurations. The top discharge models come in heat pump and cooling only varieties. The unit's single module range from 8 to 26 horsepower. What's more is that for a larger scale requirement, combination modules can provide up to 104 horsepower if needed. The heat pump and cooling only top discharge models come in several variations. But let us first understand their nomenclature. 38V stands for VRF outdoor unit. T stands for top discharge. The next space is filled with the capacity of the unit. For example, if it's a 26 HP unit, 38VT will be followed by 026. The next letter represents whether it's a single module or a combination. 1 is used for single and S for combinations. 7 stands for Series 7 and 3 stands for the power supply. If the unit is cooling only, then C follows, or if it's a heat pump, then H is used. The next letter denotes the supply origin, in this case Q, which means China. The next 2 letters depict the region it's made for, and SS stands for South Asia. Single modules offer a capacity of up to 26 HP, and combinations can have capacity up to 104 HP with the help of 4 modules. The modules come in single fan chassis for top discharge up to 16 HP and double fan chassis from 18 HP to 26 HP. DC inverter scroll compressor is used for XCT7, single compressor for modules up to 18 HP and from 20 to 26 HP. The modules are driven by 2 compressors. Take note here, 18 HP is in 2 fan chassis but one compressor. Let us see the various cooling-only top discharge outdoor unit that the XET7 offers in terms of their cooling capacity and EER ratings. Just ensure that there is enough room for piping when you are suggesting combinations for higher capacity. The heat pump top discharge outdoor units come in a very similar configuration to the cooling-only units, as the hardware is pretty similar to both. The system offers top reliability in terms of the compressor, enhanced system performance, incredible flexibility, and is also very installer-friendly. The compressor for top discharge models comes with a black-coated fin technology along with anti-corrosion technology for heat exchanger. This makes the unit extremely reliable. It's been tested for 1,500 hours and is resistant to the city pollution, dust or sand, and a certain amount of salt spray. This makes it suitable for coastal conditions. It also has an auto dust removal function, where after 60 days of continuous operation, the fan is put in a reverse mode on maximum speed for 3 minutes, which removes any dust accumulation. The compressor also comes with an impressive anti-liquid shock technology, making it extremely reliable. The system adopts a mobile frame technology, which means that in case any liquid refrigerant enters the compressor, the anti-shock technology releases the pressure and discharges the liquid refrigerant, thereby avoiding scroll damage and reducing the liquid shock failure rate by 50%. The efficiency of the XET7 system is top-notch. It comes with full DC inverter scroll compressors made in Thailand, BDLC fan motors, along with an efficient 4-side heat exchanger, optimized for both cooling and heating. What separated Carrier XET7 from the rest is that its efficiency remains high even as the capacity increases. Similarly, even for top discharge heat pump systems, the efficiency is pretty stable throughout the power range. The efficiency of the top discharge range of XET7 is beyond compare. It boasts of impressive features like automatic oil balance, which means that there is no need for an oil balancing pipe, and it adopts a 10-stage oil return technology for smooth lubrication and best performances at all times. This setup comprises of compressor exhaust baffle special design, compressor built-in oil tank separator, exhaust efficient cross-oil return design, compressor self-balancing tubing design, gas liquid separator oil balance distribution technology, compressor low-load oil return control, refrigerated oil automatic recovery control indoor unit, energy saving oil recovery control, compressor differential pressure oil supply control, preheating design of compressor internal lubricating oil. The innovative oil management system is done through specially designed compressor exhaust baffle and ensures that when the refrigerant is compressed and discharged, the lubricating oil discharge is reduced, thereby ensuring that most of the oil is retained in the compressor. A specially designed built-in oil tank separator effectively blocks the turbulences when oil travels from the crankshaft to the oil reservoir, thus minimizing the oil from being splashed out. The oil temperature sensor preheats the internal lubricating oil, which in turn helps in energy saving. We all know that the system will operate at varying capacities throughout its life, and the problem of poor oil supply at low rotation speed is taken care of by the compressor's differential pressure oil supply mechanism. This ensures proper lubrication and prevents mechanical wear and tear. And when the system load is limited, the compressor continues to operate at a minimum operation per hour, which allows sufficient refrigerant flow to bring back the lubricating oil. If the compressor is running at a low frequency and the system detects low oil volume, the compressor is run regularly at high frequency, and even the indoor unit PMV opens to retrieve the lubricating oil flowback. What increases the efficiency of the XCT7 even more is a cross-oil return design, in which an oil separator is assigned to each compressor. This way, the collected oil can be exchanged between each other to prevent uneven oil distribution. The oil return operated every 2 to 4 hours to ensure reliable distribution of oil across the system. The patented compressor oil level technology opens the solenoid valve on the pipeline when it detects too much oil in the compressor. This ensures that the excess oil is sent back to the gas separator with the refrigerant to avoid any wastage. In addition to that, the innovative gas liquid separator improves the heat exchange performance and system efficiency and ensures a balanced oil and refrigerant distribution. The system ensures a separation rate of 99.99%, where the lubricant oil goes to the bottom of the separator and a pressure gap is created through the equalizing holes, and the bottom oil return hole sends the oil back to the compressor. The XCT7 also offers amazing flexibility in terms of its design. The piping system is not just at par with industry standards, but it also surpasses it by offering piping lengths of up to 1 kilometer with amazing flexibility in terms of the placements of the ODU and IDU. It can accommodate for a 110-meter height difference when the outdoor unit is placed at the top of the building and 90 meters if it is placed at the bottom of the building, thus making it ideal for high-rise buildings. The system can adjust to multiple building configurations, and the powerful BLDC fan motor ensures that an external static pressure of up to 110 PA is available across all capacity models, even if it is installed at a poorly ventilated balcony or refuge story. And it is extremely easy to install as well. The front panel can be dismantled quickly and allows for easy access to the internal components of the ODU. Once the system has been fully commissioned, the installer can test it with the touch of just one button and does not have to switch each indoor unit on separately. The system comes with a one-touch trial operation where you can simply press the outdoor PCB button to realize the cooling or heating operation, which saves up to 10% on the test operation time, as you do not need to switch the indoor units one by one. The PCB board also comes with a debugging switch solution through which the system can automatically determine the status and parameters of the system. The cooling-only system offers a wide operating range from -5 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius ambient temperature in cooling, and 21 degrees Celsius all the way down to -23 degrees Celsius in heating. Side discharge models also offer a wide operating range for both cooling and heating operations. 4 to 6 HP two-fan chassis cooling operating range from -15 degrees Celsius to 48 degrees Celsius, and 8 to 12 HP two-fan chassis from -5 degrees Celsius to 48 degrees Celsius. You may refer to different operating range of different side discharge models. The side discharge ODU models of the XCT7 come in modules of single fan, double fan chassis 1 pH and double fan chassis 3 pH, offering up to 12 HP and a cooling capacity of 33.5 kilowatts. The single fan one phase model comes in a capacity of 4 and 5 horsepower. The double fan single phase model comes in capacities of 4, 5 and 6 horsepower, while the double fan 3 phases system comes in capacity of 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12 horsepower. The side discharge heat pump units offer a large operating range for both the one fan and two fan modules. Keep in mind that the capacities mentioned here in the nomenclature are in terms of kilowatts and not horsepower. All these models are using DC inverter twin rotary compressor technology. Also remember that the choice of single fan or double fan needs to be made keeping in mind the piping length and the number of indoor units that need to be connected. The unit offers some amazing benefits. It gives an enhanced system performance with a further noise reduction at night through a night mode that can be set through the PCB. It also comes with optimized aerodynamics that can help reduce noise by up to 3 dBA. The side discharge modules are also easy to install. It comes with 2 faces and 4 handles for ease of carrying. A Windows 888 test panel for the operators to read operation data and error codes. A 4-direction windpipe connection for flexible connections, and a built-in charge valve for easier access and safer maintenance. It also boasts of DC twin rotary compressors, BLDC fan motors, enhanced condenser surface of 4 to 6 HP, and low standby power, all of which is designed to increase efficiency. The side discharge units offer very stable efficiency across capacities for both single and double fan units. With the 180-degree sine wave DC speed varying technology, the side discharge system offers full DC inverter technology, along with DC twin rotary inverter compressor and BLDC fan motors for higher efficiency. The efficiency is further increased by a natural cooling electrical box, where the back of the electrical box or the inverter PCB is cooled by natural airflow through grills, allowing it to run with more stability. The 4 to 6 horsepower side discharge heat pump system comes with a 2-stage subcooling system. It increases cooling and heating performance by up to 10% and allows for faster cooling of up to 20%. Not just that, it also eliminates refrigerant noise in the transition phase. The side discharge units also feature special fan shape for larger airflow at the same speed, which reduces noise, and there is also a quiet night mode in the PCB that reduces noise by up to 8 decibels. And it does so without compromising on performance through the ODU fan that offers 30 PA static pressure, even when installed in areas that are airflow disruptive. The side discharge setup offers easy installation with a 4-direction piping connection, easy access to charge valve for quick and safe maintenance, 4 handles for ease of manipulation, and top access to the electrical box maintenance. You can suggest cooling or heating solutions from a wide range of side discharge XET7 modules that offer various benefits like compact height, reduced footprint, and weight. Here's a look at the amazing flexibility that the side discharge systems offer in terms of installation. Based on the project size, available space for piping, and number of indoor units, you can suggest the different XET side discharge units. The side discharge system also has a compact model designed specifically for Asian markets. Let's take a look at the compact side discharge units and their specifications. These are suitable for projects that require smaller piping, lower window aircon ledge, or for a remote area in a larger project. Let us now look at the indoor units that come with the XET7 VRF system. The system comes with a wide range of indoor units that partner perfectly with the ODUs to provide you with the best air conditioning solutions. Up to 64 units can be connected per outdoor system. The IDUs come in a range of 5 types of cassettes, 5 types of ducts, 5 types of consoles, and high walls, along with 4 ventilation solutions. Here are the various capacities that the indoor units come in. Keep in mind that the units come with different type of motors, AC and DC, and recommendations should be made keeping those in mind. Let us see the range of cassette-type indoor units that are compatible with the XET7. Cassettes come in extremely handy when installed in locations with false ceilings, with square volumes to serve, or where there is a potential requirement for more even airflow distribution. The XET7 comes with 5 types of cassettes: compact 4-way, standard 4-way, round-way, 1-way and 2-way. Their capacity ranges from 5,000 BTU per hour to 54,000 BTU per hour. Before looking at the lineup, let's understand the nomenclature. All indoor units start with 40. V stands for VRF, and the next letter depicts the type of indoor unit. In this case, U refers to a round-way cassette. The next number stands for the capacity, and this is followed by the unit type. R here represents round-way cassette. Next, the 7 stands for 7th generation VRF technology, and E depicts the kind of power supply. The next symbol denotes the country of origin, in this case Q, which means China. The last 2 symbols denote the region for which that particular model is made. In this case, EE stands for both Europe and Asia. The round-way cassettes provide for round flow air outlets and are compact, making them suitable for tight false ceilings. They come with 4 independent louvers airflow control, 6 adjustable louver positions, 1,296 airflow combinations, and the panels are available in standard or with presense sensor. They also offer low sound levels and high efficiency thanks to a DC fan motor, along with an option of displaying faults automatically. There is even a built-in drain pump with 600 mm lift. The drain pump is a built-in accessory for all cassette types. For all cassette type indoor unit, there is a wireless receiver for wireless remote controller and 2 models of wireless controller for cooling-only system or heat pump system. Take note that the wireless controller for cooling only doesn't come with the heating button. The round flow cassettes offer a comfortable and even distribution airflow thanks to the louvers and corner outlets, thus allowing for an adjustable airflow for high ceiling conditions. And when used with the presence sensor, they turn on and off automatically when a person comes in proximity, helping you save energy. The compact 4-way cassette offers a compact design that is suitable for 600 by 600 ceiling tiles and small rooms. Quiet operation down to 29 decibels thanks to the efficient BLDC fan is one of its hallmarks. The standard 4-way cassette comes in a cooling range of 5.1 kBTU per hour to 47.8 kBTU per hour. It also comes with a hanging installation that helps save space and has an inbuilt 700 mm lift drain pump. The 1-way cassette is suitable for corner air distribution. It comes with a return air panel to maintain the unit, making it convenient and beautiful. It also features a ceiling anti-fouling design, along with an industry-leading noise level down to 24 decibels with the help of the DC fan motor. The slim design of just 185 mm height makes it look elegant, and it also comes with a built-in drain pump of 600 mm lift. The biggest benefit of the 1-way cassette is that it offers full access from the bottom of the cassette, which is why no service panel is required. The 2-way cassette is suitable for a narrow space or corridor area. It comes with a height of 220 mm, making it extremely compact in design. It also has a built-in drain pump of 750 mm head and features a sealing anti-fouling design as well. Let us now look at the types of ducts that come in the XCT7 system. Ducts are of great help when you are looking for cooling solutions in a place that have a false ceiling available, have high ceiling volume, or for big monovolumes like an open office space, rooms with unusual shapes, when you want to bring in outside air easily, or have wide window surfaces. It even comes in handy when you need to minimize the air conditioner's visibility. The XCT7 comes with 6 types of ducts, namely slim duct with DC motor, standard duct come with DC or AC motor, medium static duct with AC motor, and high static duct with AC or DC motor. The current XCT7 offers both DC and AC ducts, but for higher capacity of 72 and 96 kTU per hour, only AC medium static duct is available as of now. The slim duct features a DC fan motor with 6 fan speeds and boasts of a 185 mm height ultra-thin design with a capacity range of 5 to 24 kBTU per hour. This is the smallest size duct available with the XCT7. It also comes with a bottom or rear air return and can be installed with or without a discharge and return plenum. It features a static pressure setting of 15 or 30 PA and has a built-in drain pump of 600 mm lift. Bear in mind that all ducted indoor units do not come with wireless receiver for the wireless controller. If wireless controller is required, receiver has to be ordered separately. Wireless controller come with 2 different models for cooling only or heat pump system. Cooling only system doesn't come with heating button. The slim duct is ideal for hotel room installations and comes with optional panels for quicker installation. The DC standard static duct comes with an efficient DC fan motor with a super slim design of 248 mm height, making it ideal for easier installation. There is also a knockout hole for outside air intake, along with a rear retaining pipe liner made of EPS materials for better sealing. It is very easy to adjust thanks to a T-shaped lifting eye and offers a static pressure setting of 180 or 200 PA. It also comes with a built-in drain pump of 700 mm lift. The AC standard static duct comes with options of 4 AC fan speeds. Other features are similar to the DC standard static duct, but it has a static pressure setting of 50 and 100 PA for standard and high installations. Recommendations should be made after checking for the static pressure requirements in the installation. It also comes with a built-in drain pump of 700 mm lift. The standard static duct offers easy installation as the T-shaped lifting eye makes it easy to adjust. It also has a flexible bottom or rear air return opening and comes with an option for outside air inlet reservation as well. And the EPS materials ensure better sealing for pipes. The medium static duct has a limited cooling range of 30 to 48 kBTU per hour, but it offers a high airflow and higher static pressure compared to standard static pressure ducted with solid static pressure with a bit trade-off in airflow. Keep in mind that the drain pump is not included with it. An order needs to be placed separately for a drain pump. The medium static duct offers flexibility in terms of installation as it has flexible rear or bottom air inlet along with a knockout hole for outside air inlet. It also comes with standard holes for installation. The AC high static duct offers cooling in the range of 19.1 to 95.6 kBTU per hour. It also offers rear air return with plenum, along with a flexible discharge duct connection. It offers a static pressure setting of 100 to 196 PA and comes in 8 models ranging from 5.6 kW to 28 kW, ranging from 5.6 kilowatts to 28 kilowatts. So far, this is the only option for the largest capacity. Please note that if a drain pump is required, an order needs to be placed separately. The DC high static duct is very compact, only 280 mm, and it comes with a highly efficient DC fan motor. Its capacity ranges from 7.6 to 54 kb tube per hour. It offers a flexible range of 0 to 200 PA and boasts of a composite material fan wind wheel blower. It has a 6.35 mm coil copper pipe tube for better refrigerant distribution and higher efficiency. It even has a preset filter and fresh air inlet, along with a built-in drain pump of 600 mm lift. The very compact design, buckle design of electric box for easy maintenance, and easy pull-out fan motor design make it easy to install and maintain. For special spaces, the XCT7 comes with high wall and console type indoor units as well. The high wall and consoles come in handy when there is no false ceiling available, or there are long rectangular spaces like in shops, or when looking for a simple solution. The XCT7 comes with a variety of high wall and console IDUs like high wall, flex ceiling floor AC, flex ceiling floor DC, two-way console, and recessed console. The high wall comes in 2 series, cooling only and heat pump. It comes with a wireless remote controller in the box and offers highest capacity than others that are available in the industry. The Carrier high wall IDU capacity ranges from 5.1 to 30.7 kBTU per hour. It also features an exclusive and stylish Carrier design, an LED display, a DC fan motor for low sound levels and increase efficiency, along with a PCB integrated design with a strong anti-electromagnetic interference. It also has a flexible piping direction and an optional PM 2.5 filter for better air quality. Please bear in mind that if a drain pump is required, it needs to be ordered separately. The flexible piping installation makes the high wall an easy to install and attractive choice. The AC Flex ceiling floor offers a flexible installation on the floor as well as the ceiling, and has a slim design of 199 mm with depth up to 24K. It can be connected in multiple directions for the connection pipe setting. Please note that this type of indoor unit is being phased out in June 2021. The DC Flex ceiling floor is an elegant solution to your air conditioning needs. It comes with a DC brushless fan motor with 5 fan speeds, a comfortable airflow with 100-degree wide-angle louvers and 70-degree wide-angle blades. The DC Flex ceiling floor is extremely easy to service, and it also comes with an optional PM 2.5 filter. It is extremely suitable for high volumes up to 14 kilowatts with its turbo mode, and it also features a comfort design with individual controls for left and right swing. It is extremely easy to wire its PCB. The DC two-way console features an elegant design along with 5 fan speeds with its DC brushless fan motor. It also allows for two-way airflow to suit the temperature of the area. It has a capacity ranging from 5.1 to 17 kBTU per hour. It makes automatic adjustments when switched to two-way airflow mode, and once the desired temperatures are reached, the airflow shifts to both upper and lower outlets. The AC console recessed is ideal for double-walled structures, concealed, and offers small ducting capability thanks to the available ESP of up to 30 PA. There is even a washable filter at the air return side of the unit for fresher air. It comes in a capacity range of 7.5 to 24.2 kBTU per hour. The outside air solutions for the XCT7 helps in freshening up the atmosphere inside the space. 4 solutions for fresh air: outside air HRV, outside air duct, and AHU connection via 2 kinds of AHU kit. The AC outside air duct features a maximum static pressure of 200 PA and has an optional drain pump as well, which needs to be ordered separately. It offers a cooling capacity of 47.7, 77.1 and 95.5 kBTU per hour. It can be connected to VRF outdoor units in 1-to-1 connection or connected with other VRF indoor units, but cooling capacity cannot exceed 30% of total system capacity. Please note that the combination ratio for the unit is only 80 to 100%, so it needs to be kept in mind while designing the system. Another thing to note is that it cannot be connected with a side discharge system. Here are some rules that you need to follow to design a system with an outside air duct. Keep in mind that only 1 duct fresh air can be connected in one system. The HRV unit comes with heating, cooling, and bypass mode. It features an independent 220-volt power supply, so it doesn't need to connect with outdoor units. With the heat recovery exchanger unit, exchanging the heat from return air to preheat the external fresh air to provide more comfortable fresh air and reduce air conditioning load as well. It can function even in slight overpressure or underpressure conditions. The direct expansion kit for AHU has 2 types, TA and DDC type. TA type has 2 models from which you can choose depending on the capacity. Each box contains an expansion valve, PCB, sensors, and wires. You will need the controller but have to order it separately as it is an optional item. Here are some of its features. TA-type control base on return air temperature on AHU coil. With the DX kit, our XCT7 outdoor unit can connect with AHUs and other indoor units. The combination ratio for connection mix with VRF indoor units is 50% to 110%, and AHU capacity shall not exceed 30% of total system capacity. You can also have 1-to-1 connection. The combination ratio for AHU to VRF alone will be 90% to 110%. If the solution you design is connected to a bigger AHU of capacity more than 56 kilowatts, then the kit can be connected in parallel, as shown here. DDC type AHU kit comes with an expansion valve, PCB, sensors and wires, and also has a controller. It offers 4 possible modes of connection and gives a more accurate solution than the TA type. It can be controlled with either supply air temperature or return air temperature. It follows the same rule of combination as TA type does, and it can connect up to 104 HP VRF system, and also the side discharge 2 fan system from 4 to 12 HP. When connected to a bigger capacity AHU of more than 73 kilowatts, the kit needs to be connected in parallel, as shown here. Here is a roundup of all the types of indoor units that make the XCT7 VRF system so efficient and flexible. Let us now look at the accessories and controls that come with the XCT7 system. The refrigerant piping is a key part of any air conditioning unit, be it the IDU or ODU, and the XCT7 boasts of fittings that are ready to be cut to right diameter for an unbelievably quick installation time and comes in a number of combinations for connecting different systems. The multi-tenant PCB works in a scenario where, if tenants in a service apartment are away for a certain period and have to power off the indoor unit, which is part of the system which is still running. To prevent the whole system from being cut off, the multi-tenant PCB is responsible for that. If any indoor unit faces a power cut, it supplies it with DC power. This is especially useful in setups with different rooms, as any single room power failure will result in the complete system shutdown. But the multi-tenant PCB ensures that such a scenario does not arise by supplying power to the IDU. However, the multi-tenant PCB is compatible for all type of indoor units. You may refer to the IDU summary table for specific models. The XET7 comes with a range of controls that make using it extremely convenient. There are individual controls, centralized controls, and BMS controls for different control applications. The controls can be used in either a web-based setup, individual setups, or even with third-party integrator programs. The individual controls are categorized as wireless remote controller for all FCU, simplified remote controller, wired remote controller, and wired weekly timer. All indoor units built in with wireless receiver for wireless remote controller, except ducted units, must order the receiver separately. For high wall unit, wireless controller is a standard item and comes with it. Individual controls also have the option of a simple wired remote controller, as well as a standard wired remote controller. The XET7 also comes with a wired remote controller with a weekly timer and colorful screen. It can control individual and group of indoor units up to a maximum 16 numbers. The centralized controls for the XET7 come with a group controller that can connect with 32 IDUs, a touchscreen controller that can connect with 256 IDU, and a touchscreen that can connect with 800 IDUs. The simple group controller can control up to 32 units and is suitable for mall, hotel, office, or even home application. Side discharge system must be used with adapter 40VCCR17FQEE. The first touchscreen controller can be connected to 256 indoor units and features a 7-inch touchscreen with backlight, weekly timer, information of indoor units, historical data backups, and side discharge system must be used with adapter 40VCCR17FQEE. The latest touchscreen controller for 800 IDUs comes with a 12.5-inch TFT LCD touchscreen, offers multilingual support, web access, email alarms, floor plan layouts, and can even integrate with third-party devices. VRF outdoor units must be used with adapter 40VCCX17FQEE. The BMS gateways offer connectivity to various BMS modules as per the requirement of the system. The XET7 comes with local BMS control, which also gives a feature for remote monitoring via a BACnet Modbus IP. The local control option for the XET7 is run on Windows systems and can control up to 400 units. It offers options for data monitoring, control, floor plan, data history, and schedule setting as well. It can even generate reports of electricity consumption when associated with a third-party ammeter. Remote monitoring enables you to connect up to 1,500 indoor units and offers support for 4 groups of 20 systems. You can even perform operation status settings and monitoring. schedule settings, set multi-user management, check operation and error logs, and view the electricity consumption report by combining together with Electricity Adapter Unit. The BMS control can be set up through a Modbus gateway embedded in the top discharge outdoor unit. It can connect with the BAC Net gateway, LonWorks gateway, and KXN gateway. The third-party BAC Net gateway is an open protocol adapter and allows control and monitoring through third-party interfacing. It can connect 124 indoor units or 4 systems. You can even set operation setting and monitor them, schedule settings, and allow for multi-user management as well. The third-party LonWorks is another open protocol adapter to third-party interfacing. It works with 32 indoor units in one system, powered by an external 24-volt DC power supply. The KNX is a protocol adapter that converts Modbus RTU to KNX. It offers connectivity of 8, 16 and 64 indoor units. The Modbus comes with third-party compatibility as well. For top discharge outdoor unit, it can connect the XCT7 main PCB board and is already embedded into the ODU. It offers connectivity for SD ODU as well through a protocol adapter.